Dubbed as Uganda's rice hub, the district of Boutelea, located about 250 kilometers east of Uganda's capital Kampala, features a large expanse of lush green rice paddies. The production of paddy rice has been the main source of income for local farmers for generations.
I've gone up to the university through rice. My parents have been cultivating and I'm also still cultivating. And it is also helping me to educate my children in good schools. It has also helped me to build a house, and as well as my parents also in a good house.
China is a key factor in the story of rice growing in Boutelea, and local communities attest to this collaboration. The partnership dates back to 1973 and 1987, when China established Kabimba and Doho rice schemes respectively. Back then, rice growing was introduced in the country to boost the country's food security. Chinese experts passed down their knowledge and skills to the locals on how to grow the crop that has become the staple food in urban areas. Years on, through the South-South Cooperation Framework, Uganda, China, and the UN Food and Agriculture Organization are implementing the third phase of an agriculture project aimed at boosting agriculture production and fighting poverty. Chinese experts under the cooperation framework have been stationed here to pass on skills to the farmers directly as they tend to their fields.
Training is very important for enhance the technology of rice production. We teach them how to use hybrid rice seeds, treated seeds, to nursery and transplant and management and harvest. This technology can overcome the challenge of the farmers.
We have had several trainings with them and have gained more skills than previously, because now I've even been exposed to some new technologies like nursery making, land preparation, transplanting, and even post-harvest handling. So we are very grateful. That's why you find us in the class. And now I'm also able to train other farmers.
Our rice can fight the poverty in Uganda. We can support farmers how to use Chinese technology to produce hybrid rice, and let them get high yield and benefit. Finally, fight the poverty.
In mid-year 2023, both Ugandan and Chinese scientists rolled out new high-yielding and drought-resistant rice to boost farmers' production. According to the FAO, the new hybrid rice, WDR73, has the potential to boost yields by about 30%, producing about 4.5 tons per acre per season.